Hi, good morning. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am, sir. My name is Maria Christine Hayuma Tinamakan. I am 24 years old. I am single with live-in partner. We have 3 kids, all boys.
What are the ages of your kids?
The ages of my kids are 8 years old, 6 years old, and 4 years old.
What is your education?
I graduated senior high school.
What is your strand when you finish senior high school?
I took gas general academics
Strand, okay.
strand.
So, do you have any housemaid experience?
Yes, I have, sir. In Philippines, I started 2017 to 2022.
Okay, what are your job duties?
My main duties is to take care of children ages 2 to 6 years old. I help them to do their homework. I teach them English. I do cooking, ironing, cleaning, and marketing.
Okay. So, in Hong Kong, if there is a newborn baby in the employer house, are you willing to take care?
Yes, sir.
So, what will you do if baby is crying?
If the baby is crying, I will first check its diaper if it is bad, and I will change it. And if he or she never stops crying, I will sing a song and feed a milk. And lastly, I will check its temperature.
Okay. So, do you know how to shower the baby also?
Yes, sir.
So, what do you need to prepare?
I will prepare lukewarm water, soap, and towel. And I will take care of eyes, ears, nose, and mouth to spell with the water.
Okay. So, when you work in Hong Kong and then some of the kids are naughty, what will you do?
I will sing a song for them and count 1 to 3 an alphabet. And I will have a great patience for them and catch their attention. I will find a way to catch their attention.
Okay. So, why do you want to come to Hong Kong?
I want to come to Hong Kong because I want to earn money to support my family financially.
Who will take care of your 2 kids when you work there?
My mother or my husband will gonna take care of my children.
Okay. So, when you work there, so you're a first timer, so you will feel homesick. What will you do?
To avoid homesick, sir, I will focus on my job and I will treat my employer as my own family, and I will tell myself to be strong because my children needs me and they need me to give them money.
Okay. So, if the employer house there is a dog or cat, are you scared?
No, sir, because we have cat and dogs in our home.
Okay. Can you cook a food or do you love cooking?
Yes, I love cooking, sir. Native food or Filipino food, but I am willing to cook. Learn how to cook Chinese foods.
Can you rate how do you cook? It's good or excellent?
I think it's good, sir, but I will make it excellent.
Okay. So can you accept take out the other person and assist them all their needs?
Yes, sir.
Do you have tattoo on your body?
No, sir.
Can you sing a baby song for the
Yes,
children? Or okay.
Head and shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head and shoulder, knees and toes.
Okay, thank you. So in Hong Kong, if ever your employer will pay your holiday and you will not do the day off, are you willing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So do you eat everything? You don't have any allergy, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you promise not to lose money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
Hi to my future employer. Please hire me as your helper. I am honest, cheerful, and helpful person. I can work under pressure.
Can you promise to finish 2 years contract and more?
I promise to finish my 2 years contract and as long as my employers needs me.
Okay, thank you. Oh, see you in Hong Kong.
Thank you. Hi.